Hi, I'm JD, and today we're going to do fractions, algebraic fractions, so with variables. So what you want to keep in mind is you want to simplify this and just use the regular operations. So go at it. It is the square root of 36x to the fifth over the square root of 3x cubed. So pause the video, try it, see if you can do it on your own. Alright, your first step always when you see a problem like this is take the numerator and denominator and make it one big square root. And then in the square root, put the numerator and denominator. Always do that first. Alright. Then it kind of becomes a little easier on how you can simplify it. First, you want to start with the numbers. You have 36 over 3. How can I simplify that? Well, 3 actually goes into 36. How many times does 3 go into 36? 12. Now it's still underneath the radical. How am I going to simplify the exponents? What am I going to do? Yeah, you're just going to simply subtract the powers. And how are you going to do that? Yeah, 5 minus 3. And what's 5 minus 3? Yeah, it's just 2. Now, where do you put that result? Do you put it in the numerator or denominator? Yeah, it's wherever you started. So since you started in the numerator, 5 minus 3, you're going to put the results in the numerator because that's where you started at. So now you want to see if you can simplify it further by looking for squares or looking for pairs. Now let's start with the number. Are there any squares or pairs in 12? And think about factors like this times this. You know, you have 2 times 6, okay, that's a start. Some other factors, 4 and 3. 4 and 3. 4 is a square, right? 2 times 2. What's the square root of 4? 2. So since you simplified that, that comes out of the radical. And the 3, what's the square root of 3? Yeah, you can't do it. Since you can't do it, you just leave it underneath the radical. Now, what's the square root of x squared? It's just x, right? How many pairs of x's are in 2? 1. So that comes out. Now, you have this 1 here, but you don't have to put it there. You can just leave it as 2x square root of 3. And that's your final answer. That's it. And when you simplify it as much as you possibly can. If not, they might have a partial solution there that's not all the way simplified if you're having a multiple choice test. But simplify as much as you possibly can. Alright, that's it.